Best flat mop and bucket sets. Flat mop and bucket sets have become increasingly popular as homeowners look for faster, cleaner, and more efficient ways to maintain spotless floors. With rising interest in durable materials, ergonomic designs, and systems that separate clean and dirty water, shoppers are seeking options that deliver real value. This guide reviews the best flat mop and bucket sets based on mop type, build quality, bucket layout, and overall performance, helping you choose a reliable solution for daily cleaning. Product number 1. Joy Mop Mop and Bucket Set with Wringer. The Joy Mop Mop and Bucket Set stands out as a top choice for those who want convenience and efficiency in one compact design. Featuring dual chambers for washing and drying, it ensures that you always mop with clean fibers, preventing dirt from being spread across the floor. The microfiber mop head is highly absorbent and glides smoothly on tile, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl. Its 360-degree swivel makes it simple to reach under furniture and along baseboards. The bucket is solidly built with a leak-proof structure that feels long-lasting, and the mop handle is lightweight but durable enough for frequent use. Ideal for busy households, this set keeps the mess contained and reduces cleaning time significantly. Overall, Joy Mop offers excellent value, especially for users wanting a hands-free wringing system that actually works.
Product number 2. Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. This classic mop and bucket with wringer set is perfect for users who want simplicity without sacrificing performance. Designed with a built-in wringer chamber, it offers effortless drying of the flat mop pad, making it suitable for quick cleanups and large spaces alike. The mop head uses soft microfiber that traps dust and debris effectively, while the wide mop plate covers a good amount of floor with each pass. The bucket has a practical layout, easy to carry and empty, and its sturdy plastic construction promises dependable use. The mop handle's adjustable length ensures comfortable cleaning for users of all heights. This set may not be packed with high-tech features, but it delivers consistent cleaning results and user-friendly operation. It's ideal for those looking for a reliable, everyday mop system that works well on multiple floor types.
Product number 3. Tethys Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set. The Tethys Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set is engineered for homeowners who prioritize versatility and a neat cleaning experience. Its 2-slot bucket design separates wetting and drying, ensuring the mop remains clean and ready for each pass. The aluminum handle feels sturdy, and the microfiber mop pad is washable and reusable, offering long-term cost savings. The mop head's slim profile is excellent for tight spaces, and the pivoting action helps navigate around obstacles effortlessly. Users will appreciate the compact bucket design, which stores easily in closets without taking up much space. This set works especially well on sealed hardwood, laminate, and tile, delivering streak-free results. With smooth operation and quality materials, the Tethys set offers a great balance of performance, durability, and practicality, perfect for maintaining a tidy home with minimal hassle.
Product number 4. O-Cedar Flat Mop and Collapsible Bucket OG7. The O-Cedar OG7 Flat Mop and Collapsible Bucket is a standout for those needing portability and efficient storage. Its collapsible bucket design folds down for easy stowing, making it ideal for small apartments, RVs, or tight utility rooms. Despite its compact build, the OG7 performs impressively with its sturdy stainless steel handle and dense microfiber mop pads that deliver excellent absorption and dust pickup. The mop's ergonomic swivel plate helps users clean under beds, couches, and corners effortlessly. The wringing system is simple but effective, squeezing out excess water without drips. O-Cedar focuses on durability and thoughtful engineering, offering a lightweight yet strong cleaning solution. This set is perfect for users needing a space-saving mop system with solid performance across a variety of floor surfaces. Product number 5. X3 Mop. Separates dirty and clean water. The X3 Mop is uniquely designed with a 3-chamber bucket system that keeps clean, dirty, and wrung-out water completely separated. This ensures you're always mopping with clean water, a major advantage for maintaining hygiene. The mop head features premium microfiber that picks up dust, hair, and spills efficiently, and its 360-degree rotation lets you maneuver easily around furniture. The bucket is larger than most sets, making it ideal for homes with expansive floor areas. Its durable construction and easy drain mechanism add to its convenience. The X3 system is especially beneficial for families with kids or pets, where clean floors are a daily priority. Offering a combination of advanced design and practical usability, this mop set delivers superior cleaning performance and outstanding long-term value.